Greek island airports in my experience can either be a great headache or a great joy to fly to. And Zakynthos so far for me has been the latter. Despite the non-radar airspace and only basic VOR approaches available, I've luckily been spared any major delays. That is, until today. The forecast and latest reported weather during descent were actually below approach minimums, and we expected to have to hold for a while. But luckily, the visibility quickly improved and we were allowed to start our approach. We became visual with the runway much sooner than expected, as the weather had already moved past the airport. Because the approach is offset from the runway and visibility was now good, I decided to ask for the flight directors off and the bird on in order to align with the runway early and continue the rest of the approach visually. Nicely stabilized by 1000 feet and a fun, fully manually flown final. There's nothing better.
100 above.
Check. Yeah.
Minimum. $300. $200. $100. 50. 40. 30. 20. Retard. Retard. Auto brake off.
Welcome to Greece! Because the 2,000 meter long runway was wet, the performance calculations didn't allow for the standard use of idle reverse only, so max it was.
On runway 16.
Reverse tickets.
After vacating the runway and waiting for the 3-minute engine cooldown period, we shut down and started preparing for the return leg.
Okay, the crew, these are the slides.